TSL girls, we're about to go do it big over at the car show, you know, celebrity car show over Randall's Island. We got Steph Barbie over here. Hello, Steph Barbie. We got Tony Monroe. Okay, Magic. We got Spider over here, and we got the one and only Precious, baby. That's how we do. And then you got the one and only Thunder. Get it big. Get your weight up, TV. That's how we do. That's how we do. Now let's go do what we do. Check it out, ladies. We got that ILoveHairCandy.com. You know, you get that weave done, you know, put that buy that weave. Here you go. Here you go. I love that hair candy. I know that hair candy. Yeah. Tune in to Get Your Weight Up TV and grab the DVD too so you can watch it anytime. Rocket Girl, DVE for Life car show, annual car show. If you missed it this year, be here next year. I love you, I love you, love you back. At PRRocket321 is my Twitter, so follow me. It's amazing, I promise.